In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create team spaces in Notion. If you're collaborating in Notion, team spaces are the best way to give each group a dedicated home for their pages, docs, and databases. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, well-labeled team space ready for work. Start by opening Notion and looking to the very top left corner of your window. Click your profile name there. This opens a menu tied to your current workspace and account, and it's the quickest route to the controls we need. From that menu, choose Settings. You'll land in the main settings panel where all workspace level options live, which keeps things organized and easy to manage. Inside Settings, select Team Spaces in the left sidebar. This section lists every team space in your workspace and serves as the control center for creating and managing them. It's helpful to pause here for a moment. A team space is like a shared hub with its own structure, making it easier to separate, for example, marketing from product or projects from operations. Next, click New Team Space. Think of this as creating a dedicated home for one team or purpose. You'll be asked to name it. Use a clear, consistent name that people will recognize immediately, such as a department, a project, or a client. Short and specific is best. This helps search results stay clean and reduces confusion later. You can always rename it, so don't overthink it now. Below the name, type a description. A good description sets expectations for anyone who joins later. In a sentence or two, explain the purpose, who it's for, and the kinds of content that will live there, like roadmaps and release notes, or campaign briefs and analytics. Clarity here prevents overlap with other team spaces and makes onboarding easier for new teammates. When you're satisfied, click Create Team Space. Notion will spin up the new area and add it to your workspace. In most cases, you'll see it appear in your sidebar immediately, ready for you to start building pages, wikis, and databases inside. There's nothing else you need to do to finish creation. The structure is ready to go. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before you begin, especially if you belong to multiple organizations. Keep naming simple and searchable, and use the description to draw clear boundaries so everyone knows what belongs in this space. You can revisit the Team Spaces section in Settings anytime to review details as your team evolves. That's it. You now know exactly how to create a team space in Notion. Open Settings from your profile, go to Team Spaces, create a new one, give it a solid name and description, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Notion.